Welcome to this course on the Excel Today function. The Today function is a built-in function in Excel that returns the current date. This function is useful when you want to insert the current date into a worksheet or use it in a formula. To use the Today function, start by opening your Excel workbook and selecting the cell where you want to insert the current date. Next, click on the Formulas tab and select the Today function from the function library. The Today function doesn't require any arguments, so you don't need to enter any information into the function arguments window. Simply click OK to close the window and the current date will be displayed in the selected cell. You can also use the Today function in a formula by typing the function into the formula bar and hitting Enter. For example, you could use the Today function to calculate the number of days between two dates by subtracting the earlier date from the current date. Thank you for watching this course on the Excel Today function. I hope you found it helpful and that you can now use this function to easily insert the current date into your Excel worksheets.